Keeping kids out of foster care. Tonight, Texas is trying to reduce the number of children entering a troubled system with several new laws. But critics say it could lead to more abuse at the hands of family members. KENS 5 reporter Hannah Tita breaks down the legislation.
The worst child abuse cases are happening to children under 5.
It's a prevalent problem that puts child advocates in a tricky position.
Removal is traumatic in and of itself, and we have to try and balance that against what's happening in the home to what may happen if a child is removed.
Instead of overhauling the system, several new laws attempt to keep children out of foster care altogether. The bills passed in Texas over the past few years include notifying accused parents of their legal rights, requiring attorneys to represent low-income parents, requiring the Department of Family Protective Services to document efforts to keep children with their families, banning the removal of children in non-emergencies, and ending anonymous child abuse tips. San Antonio State Senator Jose Menendez voiced concerns that last law would lead to legitimate cases being unreported, putting kids in danger.
I'm a foster child. I was removed from my mother at 9 months old, and I'm tracing my family today because of some of this.
The CEO of Child Advocate San Antonio is in favor of the laws.
And I know there's a conversation about parents at the moment. We have to make sure that we're not penalizing poverty, that children are not being removed just for neglect, and wrap services around that family. But when severe physical abuse occurs, when sexual abuse occurs, we need to be ready to keep and protect that child.
And CASA says everyone can play a role in keeping kids safe by reporting child abuse when you see it and offering help to overwhelmed parents. The city is also working to help those already in the system. This year, Councilwoman Haverda helped secure more than $2 million in federal funding. Now, that's the largest one-time investment for foster care children in the state's history. Tonight, CASA told us some of that money will be used to keep therapists with every child as they move through the system. Isis?
Thank you, Hannah.